I'm Bloody Oliver. In this video, we will see how to do the first studies from the land and feet of the model. Let's make a set of bones for the retraction of the model and try to put the thing in a place where it does not get ugly. We are trying. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about the land and feet of our ship. I will type an Alt W, get this object with the object properties, apply a fit rule, and we'll see more details of the set. I got this reference on the internet, on the web. I found it interesting because it has a shape that resembles an insect feet or something. And what's the idea I want to show with our ship's set of parts? However, I'm an engineer, and I can tell you that things are pretty unstrong static do not work well when you try to animate them. Let's do the next. I select Group Open. I will get this piece here. Affect Pivot. Align with this other piece here, which is one of the joints of our system. When it is done, I will type an Auto key and do a 1-second animation, just so we understand the next step. Keyframe on this object. If I rotate this object, the most I could get it would be to pick it up here. This shows. I will get this other object here. I will link with this one. And again, I will see what happens when I do a spin on the animation. It's little, unless you can make this object come. It will end up touching this other structure. Or make this structure with holes so that I can fit into each other. This is the maximum retraction I could get. For this, I would need this set of pistons, but also to be retractable. I also moved to the limit that I could operate in the reasonable way. Look, if I do this, the result is more or less what I need. This system, however, will not be very retractable. Let's see on another thing. How can I create the right joints of my set? I can go in the Bone Tools, create bones, and create the bones attached to this joint piece of my system. I did one more bone here. I could simply come on animation. I key over, ice over, select this bone first. I key over, ice over, apply the ice over to allow me these movements, this arm or leg, to work this way. But this does not work well. I will apply a wireframe. I will type Ctrl Z. And again select the I key over from this bone at this one. Animation, I key over, ice over, from this bone to this one. With this I can have a join. Wrong. But it will allow me to come here and make a more appropriate retraction of the whole of my set. What is the result of this? Look, the result is that will not be very correct in terms of engineering and dynamics, but will stay visually and aesthetically enjoyable. One of the solutions I adopt here is, since these feet are not very retractable, and I want to make the animation more realistic, the only way to solve this problem was to put these feet in the middle of the wings, which can cause great aerodynamic problems in the system of the ship. But visually, the result will look beautiful and enjoyable. What matters here is to make the scene aesthetically elegant. And this we're getting. See you in the next.
Are you doing this? Tô fazendo.
Se você gostou, não esquece da gente. A gente precisa da sua participação para continuar por aqui. Ensino gratuito de tecnologia, eu abraço essa causa. Abraço você também.